The events program and the presentations featured here have been a great mixture. Well, the last time I attended this conference was back in 2014, when it was primarily bioprocessing for biofarms and CHO cells. It's clearly expanded tremendously since then.
There are some interesting presentations about the latest data. I think it's also interesting to have some service providers showing scientific data of what they are doing.
I think the presentations have been really interesting. Some of them are more strategic, others are more data-driven, but the variety has been really good.
The presentations that I've seen have been very interesting, relevant to what I'm looking at as well as, well, presumably a lot of other people. Everyone's been very positive to talk to.
The level and quality of the speakers at the event has been consistently high, as with every year at the Oxford Global event. Good mix of people from Europe and the UK, and a few people we know from the United States. Both people who are sort of working at the bench and sort of decision makers.
So this is my first time attending a European-based cell culture conference. And I'm just really excited to be part of the event, to see the diversity of speakers, but to get a different taste that I don't always get from a North American style conference, right? So get the diversity, different mindset, different approaches. So it's really been inviting and inspiring in that sense.
In terms of the network opportunities provided, I would certainly say that they've been quite wealthy, and also the layout as well of the conference has been great for networking.
It's been very relaxed and open, and the format of the event has allowed us to really go into some in-depth conversations without feeling like we have to quickly rush off to the next talk.
We're a cell line development company, but I found we've made good contacts at this conference in some of the other streams, like the stem cell groups and the gene therapy groups.
I like the fact that you have intermittent time periods where we can discuss the presentations that we just attended. So that's been very helpful, and it gives an opportunity to also talk to the speakers outside the presentation.
I would certainly come back and recommend to colleagues not only in the department but across Glaxo, especially with the co-located congresses. It's tremendous.
Really trying to recruit other colleagues to come back to co-present in these forums and to take advantage of this venue.
I would definitely come back and recommend Oxford Global events to my colleagues.